Alright, whenever you're working with fractions and you see the word equivalent, it's just a big fancy math term for equal. So you know that every time you see the word equivalent, you have to either use multiplication or division. Okay? Let's start with 2/4. If I'm going to work with 2/4, I can use either multiplication or division to solve this problem. Let's start with multiplication. Now, my next step is that I have to pick a fraction where the numerator is the same as the denominator. And I can use any number I want except 1. Let's use 2. Now, if I want to find an equivalent fraction to 2/4, I have to multiply the numerator by the numerator to get a new number, and the denominator by the denominator to get a new denominator. Let's multiply 2 times 2. Then let's multiply 4 times 2. I just said that eating 2 pieces of pizza out of 4 is the same thing as eating 4 pieces of pizza out of 8. I now know that 2/4 is equivalent to 4/8. At the same time, I can take 2/4 and I can do a division problem. I can find another equivalent fraction by making it smaller. I know that 2 is a factor of both 2 and 4 because it fits inside both numbers, so I can pick 2. Now remember, if you use division, you're making your fraction smaller. Once again, I'm going to take 2, but this time I'm going to divide it by 2 to get 1. I'm also going to take my denominator 4 and divide it by the denominator 2 to get 2. I just found that 2/4 is equivalent fraction of 1/2. Why? Because if I ate 2 pieces of pizza out of 4 pieces of pizza, it's the same thing as eating 1 piece of pizza out of 2.